right, thank you, Tammy. With 6 weeks left in hurricane season, some Bay Area residents are being forced to cover their homes with flood insurance as soon as possible. One viewer connected with us after she found out her flood zone suddenly changed after nearly 10 years. Here's 10 Connect's reporter Erica Pitzi.
Total shock.
The shock came in the form of a letter until this week.
And we've never needed a flood insurance.
But now the bank says Kelly Amos's family must take immediate action to get flood insurance.
In the 9 years they've lived here, Kelly says they've never had water in their house, despite the fact that they have a pond in their backyard.
And to be not in a flood zone and all of a sudden be in a flood zone.
It turns out FEMA, the government agency that designates flood zones, changed her zone in August. So now Kelly's home in Pinellas County is smack dab in the middle of a high-risk flood zone, and she doesn't understand why.
From one number to another number to another number, trying to get an answer.
To try and get answers for Kelly, we sat down with property insurance expert Ted Corless. He says FEMA has the right to adjust flood zones, but as a homeowner, you have rights too.
There is a possibility that the designation was made incorrectly.
Kelly can dispute FEMA's flood zone change, but proving it to the bank is a tough task.
So it's unlikely that the lender is going to back off unless they can get some indication that the change in designation was an error.
And that could cost money, but it's probably less than the coverage would cost.
And now all of a sudden we got to have flood insurance. And it's another $1,000 to $1,600 a year.
That's money this family of four does not have.
We're just trying to start to save up a little bit of money, and here comes another bill.
Even if Kelly decides to dispute the zone change, she still has to get the coverage within 45 days. If she wins the dispute, she'll be credited any money already paid. Now, to find out if your flood zone has changed, head to our website at 10connects.com. Heather? All right.